Welcome to Visual Vocab English. Today we learn essential weather words through a fun story. Let's get started. Yesterday morning, Anna woke up and saw the sun shining brightly. She thought today is a perfect day for a picnic. Anna packed her basket with food and went to the park with her friends. They were laughing and enjoying the warm, sunny weather. But in the afternoon, the sky started to change. Big, dark clouds covered the sun, and it became cloudy. Anna looked up and felt a drop of rain on her cheek. "Oh no, it's going to rain," she said. Soon it started raining heavily, and the wind began blowing fast. It was so windy that Anna's hat flew away. The temperature dropped, and they all felt cold. Anna and her friends ran to find shelter under a big tree. But the rain turned into a storm. "Wow, this storm is strong," said Anna. They waited until the rain stopped, and the sky became clear again. The sun came back, and a beautiful rainbow appeared. What a surprise! Anna laughed. Today had all kinds of weather. Sunny. When the sun is shining brightly, with no or few clouds. For example, today is sunny, so it's a good day for a picnic. Cloudy. When the sky is covered with many clouds, blocking the sun. For example, the sky is cloudy and it may rain. Rain, rainy. Water falling from the sky. When it rains, the weather is rainy. For example, it's rainy, so I need my umbrella. Windy. When the wind is blowing strongly. For example, it's so windy that my hat flew away. Storm. Strong weather with heavy rain, thunder, lightning, or a strong wind. For example, the storm was loud with lots of thunder. Temperature. How hot or cold it is outside. For example, the temperature dropped and now it's cold. Clear. When the sky has no clouds and it's easy to see the sun or stars. For example, the sky is clear again after the storm. Rainbow. Beautiful colors in the sky after rain, created by sunlight. For example, after the rain, a rainbow appeared in the sky. Warm. Not too hot and not too cold. A comfortable temperature. For example, it's warm and sunny, perfect for a picnic. Cold. The opposite of warm. Low temperature. Usually needing warm clothing. For example, it became cold after the rain started. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe for more. See you next time on Visual Vocab English.